close. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sierra to Bay, and today I am going to show you how I did my first ever retie. First, I want to say it was a struggle and it lasted for 5 days. I did my hair every day for a few hours, 5 days straight, and it was like the longest thing ever. It's like it's never gonna end. Don't know when it's gonna end, but I'm gonna keep going type thing. So I started on last Saturday. By the way, today is Saturday. So I didn't do it for like 2 days, I think. Okay, so yeah, I started on Saturday. That was the 18th. So I started on the 18th, and I did a few hours, maybe even just 2 or 3 hours, and I just kind of like stopped because it was just a lot. And I started in the back area first, and then on Sunday, that's when I started doing the perimeter. I wanted to do the perimeter just in case I want to put my hair up and cover the inside, I guess, kind of like how you would do if you were getting your braids done but they weren't complete and you went to school or wherever and you put your hair in a bun to cover that little spot that was left. That's what I did. And I kept doing it on Monday after work for a couple of hours until it got late enough for me to, you know, go take a bath and get ready for the next day. I did Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and then I rested on Wednesday because Wednesday made it 1 month officially locked. And I did a video on Instagram on an update, so you guys should go check that out. It's Sierra_to_Bay on Instagram. And then I finished my last little area. It was like this little area right here. I finished on Thursday, and I was super excited to finish. If you watched any of my videos so far or follow me on Instagram, you would already know that I have 330 locks at the moment. It was 332, but I combined 2 of my locks because they were kind of thin, and then I kind of messed up on an area. So that's what I had to do, but it's okay. Still got 330. But I was coming to you guys basically to show you how I interlocked my hair, and I have 2 test locks that I was going to do it with that I left for you guys. So we're gonna zoom in a little bit. So where are you? Right here. Okay, so I have 2 right here that I'm going to show you. I had them twisted into a little twist here, so I'm gonna unravel them, and hopefully I can do this before my camera dies. All right, I'm gonna take one of these clips to pin that one back, and I'm also going to take another clip. Did I do that right? Nope. And take another clip. I'm gonna take a bigger clip, one of these, and pin the front back. Okay. And depending on if some of these are still needing to be retied or whatever, you're gonna need another little clip to move them out of the way so you don't combine the roots of your locks, or you'll end up either combining your locks like me or having to take them down. If you don't want to do that, or just leave them in there and then create a hole, and it'll probably be thin later on in life. So you just got to be super careful. And the method that I did is the 2-point rotation. So I'm going to take my tool here And I do the 2-point because it's easier for me to do. It would be harder for me to do a 4-point rotation, in my opinion. So yeah, so I'm gonna I put it through the loop, put my lock through the hole, kind of like you're doing a thread. And I start from the side of the lock. Let me see if I need to zoom in more. So I start from the side of the square. So I go through here, pull it through, and I'm gonna go towards the back and pull it through. And I just do the same thing from the side and to the back, making sure I don't get any other lock accidentally gathering in with this one. I'm gonna do it one more time, and this probably be the last one. Nope. And you don't want it to be super, super tight, but that's how you do it. Now you don't have any new growth here. It is interlocked. Now I'm going to do the last one. Lord, don't let my camera die. Right here. There you go. Okay. So I'm gonna put it through the side. Pull it through the back. Side again. Back again. And side again. And to the back. There you go. That's it. It's pretty simple to do the 2-point rotation. Just try to make sure that you don't go through the same hole. And if you notice that you have a knot or anything like that, try to pull it out as soon as possible. Maybe even in that moment that you know that this is probably going to be a knot, make sure that you get it out, because you do not want to have knots in your lock. Also, if you put it through the same hole, if you go to the same direction twice, say you were going to the side of the square, and then you went to the side of the square again, it's gonna cause a hole or either a knot, and you just do not want that, because you'll have holes in your locks, and over time it'll be a weak lock and it'll probably break off. So just be very, very careful, and make sure you're doing the right rotation that fits for you. If you know that you don't want to do a 4-point rotation, don't try to do it just because other people are doing it. Do what's best for you and your hair. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. My camera is about to die. I don't want to prolong you guys any longer. That's really what you just came for, to see how to do a 2-point rotation. But for now, that's all I have for you. I'll see you guys on my next video. Peace.